Hello, and Dr. Sky here. How are you doing? I have to make a couple of announcements real quick. My apologies. Today I was booking a session with one of your cohorts, and we were having a live Zoom scheduled for tomorrow on Thursday. And when I created that in the Zoom Pro here at Turo, it sent an announcement to everyone. So my apologies. There is no live Zoom. You're not a video conference class, and I tried to send an announcement too, and or post an announcement here, but I thought I would add this video to hopefully catch your attention, but also to stress one other important matter this semester. And I get to do this when we have our live video conference class, but with you all, I don't get to really help you enough, I don't think. So in Module 2 announcements, this was initially your digital classroom. I've just graded a lot of those, and your Google Classrooms are coming along really nicely. They look great. But you will notice in my instructions, and I've added this to all the instructions throughout the semester, you'll see these big letters in red. That might mean something. Okay. So the main point here is that every time you submit a new assignment, you're going to be uploading it to your Google Classroom. Okay, so it'll be a part of your module. It's like a micro learning asset. Okay, each module is a small learning piece of your whole unit of study. And each week, when you submit your Google Classroom to me, I have to go in there and look and see what your unit of study was, your standards and objectives, and make sure that each activity aligns with your original plan. Okay, in order to do that, I need the link to your Google Classroom. You're going to be creating some wonderful activities using a variety of software, but unless I have the Google Classroom link, I can't really see whether or not it aligned with your original learning objectives. Now, if we have trouble accessing the link, and I did this week, I know, and I think we're going into module 3. I'm still having a few issues. Try to use that link you submitted in module 1. All of them worked, I'm pretty sure. I have a list here. I think we were able to troubleshoot and get access to all of your links. So when in question, if I say, please post the link, then maybe try that link. Otherwise, I mean, test it with other people. It doesn't have to be completely locked down with the code that they offer. For our purposes, this is kind of a video or kind of a website portfolio for you. So your portfolio or your Google Classroom could be accessible to anyone. So make sure that you just, click on the link where it says copy, and don't do the code, just copy the link and send that. I sure hope that helps. Sometimes people have been able to copy the link, like the URL, on their stream page, and that has worked, but other people it hasn't worked. So I've taught this course many, many times, and we always have a lot of fun with these links. There's one other thing that I'm having trouble with this semester, and I don't know what changed, but when you upload a document to your Google Classroom LMS, make sure it's a Google Doc. Okay. If it's a Microsoft Word doc, sometimes I'm not able to access those. And I was before, but something changed with Google. And Google likes to talk to Google. So that's why you have to use your Gmail address to create your Google Classroom. So I hope this makes sense. You're doing great this semester. Keep up the wonderful discussions. And if you would like a special live Zoom with me, just reach out and we can schedule a time. Okay? Have a great semester.